Mae llai na hanner gorsafoedd rheilffordd Cymru yn hygyrch i bobl ag anabledd yn ôl adroddiad newydd gan Gynulliad Cenedlaethol Cymru. Bu berniadaeth uniongyrchol o orsaf prestatyn yn Sir Ddinbych mewn tystiolaeth i'r Pwyllgor Cyfle Cyfartal, ond mae gwaith atgyweirio'n digwydd yno nawr. Gwaetha'r buddsoddiad, honir bod y broblemau yn dal i fod.
Well, Prestatyn Station has never been accessible for anybody unless you've been able to use steps, because that was the only access there. This used to be where there was stepped footbridge over onto the station, but they decided in February this year that they were going to improve it and provide access for disabled people. Unfortunately for the local disabled people, they forgot to consult with us and ask us what we needed to gain access. Access to the station, if you can see where that scaffolding is up there, and just behind there is a footbridge, and on that footbridge there is a temporary access onto the station where unless you can use steps you can't gain access there. Arriva trains are prepared to provide an accessible taxi for anybody that can't use the station to their local accessible station. The only problem that we have, that information is in the information kiosk that we can't get to. It's a sort of catch-22 situation. We have got a board that's further down the road here that states that access is from the footbridge, but we have no telephone number and we have no guidance on where to go to get that information.
Nid prestatyn yw'r unig orsaf y ferniadwyd. Yn ôl trigolion y wain, mae stepiau serth yn ei rhwystro rhag cyrraedd un platfform. Berniadwyd Shorten hefyd. Un broblem oedd y ramp serth at y platfform. Mae trenau Arriva Cymru yn rhannol gyfrifol am gynnal a chadw 221 gorsaf rheilffordd yng Nghymru. Dywedir iddynt fuddsoddi mwy na 28 miliwn o bunnoedd mewn gwelliannau sy'n cynnwys uwchraddio ac adnewyddu'r trenau, gwella mynediad i'r gorsafoedd yn ogystal â'r cyfleusterau. Mae adroddiad y Pwyllgor Cyfle Cyfartal yn cydnabod na fydd y sefyllfa'n newid dros nos, ac yn annog Llywodraeth Cymru i ddefnyddio'r pwerau sydd ar gael iddynt.
The report shows that people with a disability find it very difficult to travel on the trains. We've heard evidence to prove that people can't get on and off trains properly, that people can't use lifts. And so what we've done as a committee is we've taken their evidence and we've gone off and talked to the government and we've talked to the train operators, and what we've said is there are a set of recommendations now which we want the Assembly Government to work alongside the Department of Transport when the next franchise comes along to actually make sure that disabled people are counted in any franchise that we do for transport in Wales. What we also want to do as well is make sure that those people who want to use the trains can do safely and securely.
I weld yr adroddiad llawn, ewch at wefan Cynulliad Cenedlaethol Cymru.